Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Nancy Sanchez and I'm studying mechanical engineering at CETIS University. Today we're going to see anchor analysis, and our objective is to perform a linear static MSC.Nastran analysis, display structural deformation and element stress, and use several display attributes. First, we're going to open our previous file called Anchor. We're going to close this window, and here we have our previous project. Click on Smooth Shaded. Now on Load Case, the action will be Modify, Default. We're going to see if everything's okay. We should have our previous loads and constraints. Now we click on Cancel. Now on Analyze, should have Analyze entire model full run. The job name should be Anchor, and translation parameters. Here, since I have the student version, I cannot perform the whole thing with this software, so I'll teach you how to do it by using this tutorial, which is the one I'm using. Okay, workshop 15, workshop objectives, description, software version, key concepts and steps. Here we are going to do our element stress, plot one Misesstress, and so on. Here is where I stepped by, and first it's what we already did. Check the load cases, which were okay, so we clicked on Cancel. Now the setup for the analysis. You're going to click on Analyze entire model full run, and you're going to click on Translation parameters. Which are going to tell you how to print or the data output, which will be XDB. You're going to click on OK, and on solution type you should have linear static, which is this one, and 101. That's the solution sequence. You click OK and then Apply. Now you're going to set up the analysis. Click on Subcases. For the available subcases, click on Default and Apply. Then you click on Cancel and click on Subcase Select. Select Default and OK. Now click on Apply to run MSC.Nastran. Now we're going to make the MSC.Nastran results accessible to MSC.Patran. So we're going to click on Access Results, Attach XDB Result Entities, select Results File. We're going to select File. We're going to click OK and Apply. Now we're going to view the results. So create deformation. Select SC1 default for select result cases. Select displacement translational for select deformation result and click on Apply. Next, we're going to we're going to view the deformated shape. So click on Display Attributes, select Wireframe. Deselect Show Undeformed. Now click on plot erase icon, which is in the upper part here. This one looks like a pencil. You're going to click on erase geometry and OK. Now click on apply. Now we're going to see the von Misesstress results. So create fringe, select C1 default, A1 double 2 dots static subcase, under selected result case, select stress tensor for select fringe results. Under quality, select von Mises, click display attributes icon. Now select element edges and click on apply. Now we're going to show a fringe plot. Now click on target entities, select elements for target entity, and we're going to select this upper part for the action and click on apply. Now you have to zoom in to see if there are sufficient TED10. So click on view corner icon, click on that corner, and now you can analyze your piece with the TED10s. Now we're going to change how the von Misesstress is shown. So click on ISO 3 view and then fit view icon. Select plot options. Well, first create fringe, then select plot options, the icon, select none for domain, select Derive average method. For intra-element within an element, select shape FN for extrapolation. Select the target entities icon and set the entity to current viewport, and then you click on apply. Now we're going to use the average extrapolation to see the difference. Results, create fringe, select plot options, select all entities for average in definition domain, select derive average for method, select average for extrapolation, and click on apply. Now the under extrapolation, see how using average, Patran averages results within each element and uses them at the respective element nodes, produces different results from using the default setting shape, and so on. Now we finished our project, and then you click on File, Save, again File, and Quit. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any kind of questions, advices, suggestions, please don't hesitate and comment below. I'll try to give you feedback as soon as possible, and see ya. Bye bye.